everyone, welcome to the concept of syllogisms in reasoning. This is part 2. In this video I want to explain about the complementary function pairs. This is very important topic. Please do watch till the end because each and every question is very important. If you understand each and everything in this video, then you can easily solve all the questions in syllogisms. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. See this example, statements. There are two statements. Some trains are buses and some buses are cars. First of all, draw Venn diagram. Some trains are buses. This is for train and some trains are buses. This is for buses. And next statement is some buses are cars. Some buses are cars. This is for cars. Venn diagram is completed. Very simple. Some trains are buses. And here this intersection part is for buses and cars. Some buses are cars. From this Venn diagram we can conclude that some buses are trains. Because statement is some trains are buses. Then we can say that some buses are trains. That is one conclusion. Other conclusion is, what is the statement? Some buses are cars. Then we can conclude that some cars are buses. Then what about these two, trains and cars? Is there any conclusion? No. There is no direct relation in between the trains and the cars. We cannot conclude anything from these two. Okay, trains and cars. There is no conclusion. Okay, if there is no conclusion, then you should go for complementary pairs, complementary function. Now see, what is a complementary function? What are the complementary pairs? Very important concept. See, there are two complementary pairs. One is some, no, and other one is all, some, not. One is some, no, this is one pair, and second pair is all and some, not. Do remember, some, this is positive, particular positive, no, universal negative. Here all, universal positive. This is particular negative, some, not. These are two pairs. If there is no direct conclusion, then we should go for complementary function. In complementary function, there are two pairs. One is some and no, second one is all and some, not. If there is a complementary function, then both are not true at a time and both are not false at a time. Both means here some and no. Okay, and all and some, not. Both are not true. Some and no. Both are not true at a time and both are not false at a time. So we should go for either or. Either some or no. What is the next pair? Either all or some, not. Let me explain in detail with example. See here, there is no conclusion. Trains and cars. Then we should go for this complementary function. First of all, I want to apply first pair, that is some and no. So what is the conclusion? Some trains are cars. Okay, some trains are cars is a conclusion. And no train is car. That is another conclusion. Some trains are cars is the first conclusion. Second one is no train is cars is the second conclusion. Then either one or two follows. That is the answer. Either first conclusion or second conclusion follows. Next, apply the second pair. See, trains and cars, because there is no conclusion in between trains and cars only. So here, all trains are cars. All trains are cars. That is one conclusion. Other conclusion is some trains are not cars. Some trains are not cars. So finally we can conclude all trains are cars or some trains are not cars. Okay, that is a complementary. See here, there are four conclusions. First conclusion, some trains are cars. Trains and cars. Actually, there is no relation because here there is no conclusion. There is a relation in between trains and buses and cars, but there is no relation in between trains and cars. So, no conclusion. If there is no conclusion or if there is no direct relation in the Venn diagram, then we should go for a complementary function. In complementary functions, there are two pairs. One is some, no, and second pair is all, some, not. See here, first conclusion, some trains are cars. Then we should go for no. See second one, no train is car. Okay. Then use either or. Either one or two follows. Okay. What is the answer? Either one or two follows. Now see, third one. All trains are cars. What is the second part in this pair? Some, not. See fourth one. Some trains are not cars. Some and not. Some trains are not cars. So this is a pair 3 and 4. But we should use either or because both are not true at a time. Both are not false at a time. So use either or. Now another answer is either 3 or 4. Either 1 or 2 follows, either 3 or 4 follows. One more important point in complementary functions is, actually here some trains are cars means trains is subject and cars is predicate. Okay, trains is subject and cars is a predicate. And see at second one, no train is car. Subject is at subject place and predicate is at predicate place. If you use a complementary pair some and no, then we can interchange subject and predicate. Means in the place of a second one we can write like this. No car is train. See here, this is a predicate. Car is a predicate and train is a subject. Those are interchanged. In complementary functions, in the case of some and no, if the subject and predicate are interchanged, there is no problem. But in the case of all and some not, don't change subject and predicate. Here trains and cars. Trains is a subject and cars is a predicate. See here, some trains are not cars. Okay, this is true. But in the conclusions, there is a conclusion, some cars are not trains, that is wrong. Don't change subject and predicate in the case of all and some not. We can change subject and predicate in the case of some and no. These are the important points in the case of a complementary function. Let us move to the next one. Now see first question, statements. There are two statements. First statement, no fan is bulb. Second statement, no bulb is light. Now draw Venn diagram. No fan is, suppose this is fan. No fan is bulb. There is a relation in between fan and bulb. Which relation? No relation. Actually there are four relations. Some, no, some not and all. Okay. In these two, there is a relation that is no relation. See second statement, no bulb is light. No bulb is a light. This is a light. And again, no relation in between bulb and a light. From this Venn diagram, we can conclude that no bulb is fan. Is it true? Yes. From these two, we can conclude that no light is bulb. Yes, it is true. From these two, we can conclude some fans are not bulbs. No fan is bulb. So some fans are not bulbs. As it is also true. And from this diagram, some bulbs are not lights. And vice versa also. Means some lights are not bulbs and some bulbs are not fans. There is a relation in between fan and bulb, and there is another relation in between bulb and light. But there is no direct relation in between these two. We cannot compare these two. So there is no conclusion. We can't say anything by using this diagram because there is no relation in between fan and light. In the case of fan and light, okay, there is no conclusion. If there is no conclusion, then we should go for what? Complementary function pairs. First pair is some and no. Then we can write a conclusion, that is some fans are lights, and next one is no fan is light. So either some fans are lights or no fan is light. That is one answer. And two more conclusions are all fans are lights and some fans are not lights. Again either or. Either all fans are lights or some fans are not lights. See second example, this is very important example. Some windows are doors and no door is a child. First is event diagram. Some windows are doors. This is for windows. And some windows are doors means this is for doors. Next one is no door is child. No door is child. This is no relation. Between doors and chairs. No door is child. Okay. Simply see. There is a relation in between windows and doors. From this diagram, we can say that, we can conclude that some doors are windows. Actual statement is some windows are doors. We can conclude some doors are windows. And see from these two, no door is chair. Then we can conclude no chair is door. Okay, no chair is door. And some other conclusions are some doors are not chairs. No door is a chair. Then some doors are not chairs. Negative. Don't think about a positive because here there is a negative. No. Next, some chairs are not doors is also true conclusion. Okay. We can conclude like that. And see the relation in between windows and chairs. This is intersection part. Some windows. Some windows means this part. This is some windows. And here there is a chair. From these two, okay, windows and chairs. From these two, we can conclude that some windows are not chairs. Some windows are not chairs because this some part is included in which part? Doors. There is a relation, no relation in between doors and chairs. Some doors are not chairs. So, some windows are also not chairs. We can conclude like that. Okay, this is intersection part. We can compare intersection part with alone part. This is alone part. There is a comparison. There is a comparison in this direction from intersection part to alone part. There is a comparison. Okay. What about this to this? Means alone part to intersection part. This is alone part. From this part to from this windows part. Is there any relation or is there any conclusion? Chairs to windows. No. We can conclude only some windows are not chairs. But not some chairs are not windows. There is no chance. How we can say some chairs are not windows? There is no relation. Because of these doors, we can conclude this. some windows are chairs. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, in any example in the Venn diagram there is an intersection part and alone part, then we can compare intersection part with alone part. There is a comparison, but not alone part to no relation part. Okay, there is no relation. Okay, for these two there is no conclusion. If there is no conclusion, then we should go for complementary function. Okay, there is no conclusion. If there is no conclusion, then we should go for either or. Some, no. That is the one pair. Another pair is all and some not. Now see conclusions. First conclusion is some windows are not chairs. Some windows are not chairs. Yes, it follows. Some windows, this is some part. Some windows are not chairs. Already I explained. Okay, first one follows. Okay, next see second one. All windows are chairs. All windows are chairs. We can't see because there is no conclusion. All chairs are windows. All chairs are windows. Actually there is no conclusion, so complementary. All chairs are windows. Okay. What is the pair for all? That is some not. Search for some not in the conclusions. Where is the some not and what are the subjects and predicates? Chairs and windows. Okay. Some not. Some chairs are not windows. Some chairs are not windows. Which one? See fifth conclusion. That is a pair for this third conclusion. All chairs are windows, and see fifth one. Some chairs are not windows. So answer is either 3 or 5. Either 3 or 5 follows. See in this answer there is a one more important point, that is don't change the subject and predicate. Okay. See all chairs are windows. Okay. Fifth one, some chairs are not windows. There is no change in the subject and predicate. That's why answer is either 3 or 5. For suppose in the case of chairs there is a windows and in the case of windows there is a chair. In any one of these two, third and fifth one, then that is not the answer. Next, see fourth conclusion. Some chairs are windows. Some chairs are windows. Go for a complementary. Some pair is what? No. Okay. Search for no. Which one? Sixth one. No chair is window. Okay. So, answer is either 4 or 6. Either 4 or 6 follows. These two are complementary pairs. One is all and some not, and this one is some and no. Okay. In some and no case we can change subject and predicate. There is no problem. In your exams, in the case of a sixth conclusion, no window is chair, then this is the answer. Okay, either 4 or 6. First conclusion completed, second one does not follows, and third one, okay, completed, fourth one completed, fifth one completed, and sixth one completed. What about seventh conclusion? Some chairs are not doors. Some chairs are not doors. Seventh one follows. It is true. One more important point in this example. See first and second conclusions. So many students are confused in these two conclusions. See, some windows are not chairs, and second conclusion is all windows are chairs. Actually, those two are complementary pair. Okay, some not and all. Some students blindly check for some not and all, then In your answer options, there is an option that is either 1 or 2 follows. But that is wrong. Because check first conclusion, some windows are not chairs. Some windows are not chairs. We can say, we can compare. Okay. So, some windows are not chairs is true. There is a relation because of these doors. Then directly we can say that follows. First one is follows. There is no question of complementary function in this case because we can conclude intersection part with alone part. Okay. Don't put your answer as either 1 or 2. 2 does not follows and 1 follows. I hope you understand this question. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section because this is very important concept in syllogisms. Now let us move to the next question. See third example. No pen is a pencil. Some pencils are books. Venn diagram is pen and pencil. This is pen and this is pencil. No pen is pencil. There is a relation, that is no relation. No pen is a pencil. Second one is some pencils are books. Some pencils are books. This is some part. And this is alone part and this is intersection part. Okay. From this intersection part 2, that means from books to pen is a comparison. From books to pen, there is a comparison. We can compare because of this pencil. Okay. There is a comparison. Because see here, some pencils are not pens. We can conclude that because there is no relation. And here some books are a part of pencils. So some books are not pens. We can conclude that. So there is a conclusion from this intersection part to this alone part. See in previous example, I written alone part in this side and intersection part in this side. Okay, don't be confused. See here, concept is very important. Not the place of the diagram. But this alone part to this intersection part means for books there is no comparison. From this alone part to this books there is no conclusion. So if there is no conclusion, we should go for complementary functions. Now see conclusions. Simply check conclusions, then which one follows or which one does not follow. So select your answer option. First one, some pens are books. Can we say some pens are books? No, because we cannot compare alone part to this books part. Now directly go for a complementary function. What is the pair for some? No. Checking these conclusions, no pen is book or no book is pen. See fourth conclusion, no book is a pen. Okay. First one and fourth one. These two are complementary pairs. So either or, either 1 or 4 follows. Okay. Some and no. There is a change in subject and predicate. There is no problem in the case of some and no. But in the case of all and some not, that is wrong. Now see second conclusion. Some pencils are pens. Some pencils are pens. See, some pencils are pens. No, we cannot say positive because here there is a negative. So some pencils are not pens is a conclusion. But some pencils are pens is not a conclusion. So second one is not follows. And also we cannot go for complementary because there is a relation in between pen and pencil. Okay. See third one. Some pens are not books. Some pens are not books. We cannot conclude. Go for complementary function. Some not. pair is all. Check for all. All pens are books. Third one and fifth one. Either or. Either 3 or 5 follows. Second one does not follows. Either 3 or 5 follows. And fourth one already completed. Now coming to sixth conclusion, some books are not pens. See, some books are not pens. Yes, definitely we can say that. Because there is a comparison in between intersection part and alone part. Some books are not pens. Yes, because of these pencils, some books and this part is also pencils. So there is no relation in between pencil and pen. Then we can say that negative. So some books are not pens. That follows. So which one? Sixth one. Sixth one follows. And coming to seventh one, all books are pens. See here, all books are pens. There is a comparison from this side to this side. But we can't say all books are pens. That is wrong. Okay, seventh one does not follows. Now see fourth question. Some keys are staplers. Some staplers are stickers. All the stickers are pens. Some keys are staplers. This is for keys. Some keys are staplers. And some staplers are stickers. Some staplers are stickers. All the stickers are pens. All the stickers are pens. This is for pens. This is Venn diagram. Now see conclusions. First conclusion. Some pens are staplers. Some pens are staplers. See here, this is a pens diagram. Some pens are staplers. Yes, it is true. One follows. Because see this intersection part. This is intersection part of staplers and stickers and also staplers and pens. So, some pens are staplers is true. So, here one follows. See second conclusion. Some stickers are keys. Some stickers are keys. We can say some stickers are keys. Is there any relation here? No. So, second one does not follows. Third conclusion. No sticker is key. No sticker is key. See here. No sticker is key. Again see. Here second one does not follows. Second one alone is does not follows. See third one. No sticker is key. See here second and third, observe that is a pair, some and no. Some stickers are keys and no sticker is key. That is a complementary pair. Then apply that complementary pair because there is no direct relation in between keys and stickers. Keys and stickers, there is no direct relation. There is no conclusion, direct conclusion. So we should go for a complementary function. Either 2 or 3 follows. Now coming to fourth conclusion, some staplers are keys. Some staplers, see here, some staplers are keys. Yes, some staplers are keys. This is the part. Okay, so fourth one follows. I hope you understand all these examples. This is very important part in syllogisms, that is a complementary function. Do practice more and more examples from different materials. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.